Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to make these beautiful Malta pants. This is a lovely pant style that's super easy to make and very comfortable to wear. These pants come in both women as well as in kids sizing. So let's start. To make these pants, you will need your fabric, matching thread, elastic, and the sewing patterns that you can download from our website. You can find the link to the website in the description box below. Let's start by attaching the pockets to the pants. Place the pocket pieces on top of the front pant pieces, right sides facing each other. Attach them at the pocket openings. Flatten out the seam allowance. Turn the pocket over and iron. Run a top stitch along both of these pocket openings. Now place the pocket pieces together as shown, with the wrong sides of the pocket facing each other. Attach them together with a French seam. To do this, give your first stitch close to the edge. Turn the pocket around and give another stitch to seal the raw edges. With the right side of the pant leg facing upwards, run a stitch at the top and the side seam to hold the pocket in place. Our pocket bag is attached. Now let's repeat this with the other pant leg. So let's stitch. Turn the piece around to finish the French seam. And add stitches at the top and the side seam to hold the pockets in place. Place the front legs right sides facing each other and stitch them together along the front crotch curve. Overlock the seam. Onto the back pieces, place them right sides facing each other and stitch them together along the curve of the back crotch. Overlock the seam. Place the back and the front pant pieces together, right sides facing each other. Stitch and overlock the side seams. Let's attach the inside leg. I'm going to start stitching from the center all the way down to both sides. Overlock the seam. Double fold and stitch the hem of the pant legs. For the waistband, place the front and the back waist pieces together, right sides facing each other, and attach them at the sides. Flatten out the seams on both the sides. Fold the waistband in half and iron. Now open out the waistband, fold up and iron the seam allowance at the bottom side as shown. Do this all around the waistband. Slip the waistband around the pant waist as shown. Match the side seams and pin the waistband to the pant body. Give a stitch all around. Turn the pants around to the right side. Iron the seam allowance upwards and readjust the waistband so it lies down flat around the waist. Give a top stitch all around to hold the waistband in place. Start stitching from the side seam. Leave a small opening as you finish. Pass the elastic through this opening. Stitch the ends of the elastic together. And close the opening. For the kids' sizes, evenly distribute the gathering on both the front and the back side. For the adult size, Flatten out the front and push all the gathering backwards. Give a vertical stitch at the side seams and the center back to prevent the elastic from twisting. Your pants are now ready. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you're going to give this pattern a try. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a like and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you again in another video. Until then, take care. Bye.